been a site manager for a school for the past 2.5 years, and I thought, 'cause I've got a manager position above me, and I feel like if I wanted to progress into that sort of field, I need to up my skills a lot more. So I saw this as an opportunity to do this course to up my skills up, and it definitely has. So yeah, that's what drew my attention to this course, especially as well, to up my skill base. Oh yeah, massively. Like I said, I've been doing my job for about 2.5 years, and it's helped me massively, even from little things, painting, everything else. I look at it much more differently now. And even with this course, what I've been doing, I've learned a lot in the past 2 weeks. So from the tiling, the painting, pipe bending, soldering, all stuff what's been completely new to me, and I've really enjoyed it. So I couldn't recommend it enough to anyone who wants to up their skills as well, always interested in a trade, or yeah, even to help themselves at home, which would save them money than bringing out a tradesperson, because this course will benefit them from doing this. Yeah, that's what I'd say about that. All of it. All of it. It was really good. Like I'm saying, like I know when I leave after today, because it's my last day, when I go back to my workplace, I will be looking at a lot more things more in detail, because I'd never noticed it before, but this gave me that eye. And obviously a great trainer I had with me as well for 2 weeks, showed me all the ins and outs. I'll say the electrical isolation one. That one was obviously just learning the earth and the live wires and stuff like that, but the trainer there, who's very patient as well and very understanding, and obviously step by step showed me how to do everything. So it's made it a lot more clearer. And obviously with the field what I'm doing as well, it's very important to have that qualification, to have that isolation skill as well. 100%, 110%. I was discussing with Glenn, there is it's a supervisory management course that's coming up, and I'm definitely interested in joining that to then again up my skill base even more. And also I have recommended it to family members as well who have been in trades, and if they want to up their skill base as well. So yeah, it's definitely something I'll be coming back to be doing that course, and also a plumbing course which I've been talking about, a level 2 MVQ in that. So yeah, definitely will be coming back soon. Of course, 110%. Even it don't matter, like if you haven't picked up a tool before, or you have, it's all for all skill bases, and it will definitely help you out in the future. From your home to your workplace, it will help out massively.